What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Google Sheets data into GoHighLevel. Open Google Sheets and make sure that your columns are clearly labeled. As you can see, I have first name, last name, email, and phone number. Once you have completed your Google Sheets data, in the left column, select File, scroll down to Download, and make sure that you download a CSV copy. Once you have done that, open GoHighLevel, go to Contacts, make sure that you are under Smart Lists, then select Import. Then select Contacts, then select Next, then click to upload your file. Select your file and then simply select Open. Then you can choose how to import contacts, create contacts, select Next. So it'll be first name, status mapped, contact, first name. Simply select Next again. Once it completes, all your data will now be added to GoHighLevel. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.